From trading to corporate, building a 100 crore empire in 10 years with chartless mastery. In Mumbai city, there was a young entrepreneur named Rahul who nurtured a dream of treating stock trading as a newly startup corporate venture. Armed with a startup capital of 1 crore rupees, Rahul embarked on his journey into the world of trading, determined to make his mark in the Indian stock market. However, Rahul soon realized that navigating the complexities of the stock market was no easy feat. Despite his passion and enthusiasm, he found himself disturbed by the multitude of factors influencing stock prices and the unpredictable nature of the market. It was during this challenging time that Rahul met with Ujwal Jaitwar, an experienced trading mentor renowned for his expertise in the field. Ujwal took Rahul under his wing, guiding him through the difficulties of stock trading and teaching him valuable lessons that could not be found in textbooks. With Ujwal's support and guidance, Rahul learned to treat his stock trading venture as a newly startup corporate company. Ujwal emphasized the importance of having a clear vision, setting achievable goals, and implementing a strategic approach to trading. Drawing inspiration from successful Indian startup examples like Flipkart, Ola, and Zomato, Ujwal showed Rahul how to invest and reinvest the accumulated profits from trading to fuel the growth of his venture. He introduced Rahul to the concept of compounding effect, illustrating how even small gains could snowball into substantial wealth over time. Together, they meticulously calculated the numbers, mapping out a long-term plan to grow Rahul's startup capital into a 100 crores corpus. They analyzed case studies and real-life examples, demonstrating the power of compounding through the chartless trading process. Let's take a realistic example of starting from 10 lakhs and reaching to 1 crore through simple calculations. Initial capital 10 lakhs. Targeted amount 1 crore. Tenure in next 10 years. Rate of interest assume 27% to reach the targeted amount of 1 crore in next 10 years. It's very much possible through chartless trading method. Year 1. Starting capital 10 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 10 lakhs plus 10 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 12.7 lakhs. Year 2. Starting capital 12.7 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 12.7 lakhs plus 12.7 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 16.1 to 9 lakhs. Year 3. Starting capital 16.1 to 9 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 16.1 to 9 lakhs plus 16.1 to 9 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 20.47783 lakhs. Year 4. Starting capital 20.47783 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 20.47783 lakhs plus 20.47783 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 26.0221 lakhs. Year 5. Starting capital 26.0221 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 26.0221 lakhs plus 26.0221 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 33.047577 lakhs. Year 6. Starting capital 33.047577 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 33.047577 lakhs plus 33.047577 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 41.94675 lakhs. Year 7. Starting capital 41.94675 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 41.94675 lakhs plus 41.94675 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 53.3154 lakhs. Year 8. Starting capital 53.3154 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 53.3154 lakhs plus 53.3154 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 67.737738 lakhs. Year 9. Starting capital 67.737738 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 67.737738 lakhs plus 67.737738 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 85.9646886 lakhs. Year 10. Starting capital 85.9646886 lakhs. Growth at 27%, 85.9646886 lakhs plus 85.9646886 lakhs asterisk 0.27 is equal to 109.1916301 lakhs. So, in 10 years, the initial capital of 10 lakhs grew to approximately 1.09 crores, showcasing the compounding effect at a 27% annual interest rate. As Rahul carefully applied Ujwal's teachings and daily action plan, he began to see promising results. His startup capital grew steadily, and with each successful trade, he gained confidence in his abilities as a trader. Years passed, and Rahul's trading venture flourished beyond his wildest dreams. Thanks to the consistent support and mentorship of Ujwal Jaitwar, Rahul had transformed his startup capital of 1 crore rupees into a formidable corpus of 100 crore rupees. Standing on the height of success, Rahul looked back on his journey with gratitude. He knew that without Ujwal's guidance, he would never have achieved such remarkable feats in the world of stock trading. With Ujwal by his side, Rahul was ready to take on the challenges of the future, armed with knowledge, experience, and an unshakable determination to succeed. Thank you for your time. If you also want to switch from day-to-day trading to empire-building trading, then please type yes in comment box. You can hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more innovative content.